Hello students, in the previous video we discussed different type of asexual reproduction and this part 2 is the continuation of the part 1. So today we are going to discuss the last type of asexual reproduction, that is vegetative reproduction. So what is vegetative reproduction? It is also known as vegetative propagation. It is one type of asexual reproduction, and here new individuals are formed without the production of seed or spores. And here the plants, they propagate with the help of any part of the body other than the seed. Seed को छोड़ करके प्लांट का जो भी दूसरा पार्ट है उससे एक नया प्लांट डेवलप होगा. The structural unit that is employed in place of seed for propagation of new plants is called the propagule. तो जो प्लांट का जो पार्ट एक नया ऑर्गेनिज्म डेवलप या नया प्लांट डेवलप करेगा, that is considered to be propagule. So there are two type of vegetative propagation. Another one is natural and first one is the artificial vegetative propagation. So what is natural vegetative propagation? So this occurs when the plant grow and develop naturally without any human interference. And next one is, it can be enabled by the development of adventitious root. मतलब natural vegetative propagation, it is possible with the help of the development of adventitious roots. There are different type of roots like taproot also. So here vegetative propagation, adventitious roots are developed. Thus, new plants may emerge from the root, stem and leaves of the parent body. It means natural vegetative propagation, it occurs with the help of the root, stem and leaves of the parent plant. Here is the flow chart of the natural vegetative propagation, that is stem, root and leaves. So what are the different root stem modifications? One is underground stem, subaerial stem and aerial stem. Underground stem modifications are rhizome, tuber, bulb, corm. Subaerial stem modifications are stolon, offset. So first we will discuss the underground stem. So underground stems, what are underground stems? These are the modified plants. So underground stem, these are the modified plants that derive from the stem tissue but exist under the soil surface. इसका मतलब वो सारे stem जो under soil surface रहेगा, it is also considered to be a modified stem. Modified stem, what is modified stem? It means mainly what is the function of stem? Stem is the function of transportation of water and nutrients from root to the different parts of the plant. Isn't it? The stem, it act as a transportation medium. So other than this transportation part, the stem, it also help in the storage of food, nutrients or formation of new organisms. So these are different function of the stem. So what is the first underground stem modification? That is rhizome. So what are rhizome? Rhizomes are root-like stem that grow horizontally under the ground. New root and shoots, they form new with shoots growing upward to form new plantlets. Lateral buds grow out to form new rhizomes. It means जो rhizome होता है वो root की तरह के structures होते हैं जो horizontally अंडर द सॉइल वो ग्रो होते रहते हैं, और साथ ही साथ न्यू रूट और शूट्स डेवलप होंगे. जो रूट डेवलप होता है वो रूट को एडवेंटिशियस रूट बोलते हैं, और छोटे छोटे बर्ड फॉर्म होते हैं, लाइक सम न्यू बर्ड्स आर ऑल्सो फॉर्म्ड. वो सारे बर्ड, दोज आर कंसिडर्ड टू बी लेटरल बर्ड, और दोज लेटरल बर्ड दे ग्रो आउट टू फॉर्म न्यू राइजोम. रूट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स को दोबारा से फॉर्म करते हैं. For example, in case of ginger and grasses are the example of rhizome. Next one is the tuber. So what are tuber? These are underground stem. These are underground stem which exist under the soil surface. What is the function of tuber? It function as a storage tissue, food and nutrients. Storage tissue की तरह काम करता है, food and nutrients को store करके रखता है. So there is a presence of axillary bud. Those axillary buds are also known as the eyes. You can see the diagram of the potato. Here the eye buds are there, and from those eye bud stem are developed. It means a new shoot, or it produces shoot that grow into a new plants. For example, in case of potato, sweet potato and dahlias. Next stem modification is bulb. So what are bulb? Bulb are the shortened underground storage structures. It means these are also underground, मिट्टी के नीचे जो storage organs form होता है, that is called as a bulb. And what is the structure like? They are enclosed with fleshy concentric layer leaves. Concentric layer leaves होता है, और साथ ही साथ this bulb it provides smaller buds. एक bulb से दूसरे छोटे छोटे bud form होते हैं, और when जैसे plant mature होगा, when as the plant matures, the lateral bud it develop into smaller bulb, and then it attaches to the base of the parent bulb, and the new bulb can be separated and planted. Two types of bulb are there, like tunicated bulb and scaly bulb. Tunicated bulb example is onion, scaly bulb is garlic. So what are tunicated bulbs? Tunicated bulb, you can see in the diagram, a papery outer covering. It means the onion, it has a papery outer covering. Next one is scaly bulb. The other type of true bulb is called as a scaly bulb. What are scaly bulb? There is lack of papery covering. Paper like covering is not there. That paper like covering is there in tunicated bulbs. It has a basal plate, it has a fleshy scale made of leaf tissue, and it do not form onion ring when cut in cross section. जैसे ऑनियन को हम कट करते हैं तो हमें रिंग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स दिखाई देता है, लेकिन स्केली बल्ब में रिंग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर नहीं दिखाई देता. So next modification is corm. What is corm? So corm, it is a solid structure. Solid, it is solid condensed vertical structure. It is also called as a fleshy storage structure. So here some scale leaves may also be present along with some adventitious roots. You can see the diagram. grow from either base or oval of its body. इसका मतलब है कि कुछ स्केल लीफ फॉर्म होगा, वो नीचे से भी फॉर्म हो सकता है या फिर उसके चारों तरफ फॉर्म हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट वन इज दिस एडवेंटिशियस बड दे डेवलप इनटू न्यू डॉटर कॉर्म. तो ये उसमें बर्ड, छोटे छोटे बर्ड फॉर्म होते हैं, और वो सारे बर्ड एक न्यू कॉर्म फॉर्म करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल इज क्रॉकस, एमोर्फोफेलस एंड कोलोकेसिया. You can see the diagram.